Hey guys, RenPup here, and today I'm going to show off my Lootcrate. So, here you go. And it's upside down. Okay. Hang on a sec. Okay. Okay, so first thing is, what the? He's so cute! I like this. What is this? Stimpy. It's a Stimpy. I love Stimpy. Here comes with the squeeze. I love this guy. So just set him there. Okay, so he was, what's his name? Stimpy. Ooh. This looks surprising. Ow. It won't open. This is I don't know what this is. It comes in this little packet. Is it like a... I don't know. Let me just show you the box. So, there you go. I don't know how to read that.
Kid Robot, Futurama.
Am I supposed to open it? Oh, well, that sucks. That sucks even more. There we go. I love him. He's so cute. Look at him. Oh my goodness. He's so adorable. He's a little keychain. I love him. I've seen the show like once. But he's still funny. I like him. Okay. Family Guy. It's chapstick. You must be a It's lip. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god! Here's a magnet. And oh my god, this is just ridiculous. Oh my god. Really, people? Really? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Ow. Okay, guys, so that's all that was in my Lootcrate. Ow. That's my, so, yeah, guys. Bye. RenPup out.